Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Astera and everything you need to know about Astera. And at the end, I'm going to give you a few tricks on how you can earn at least $100 on Astera and cash out each and every month. So if today happens to be your first time coming across any content of mine, my name is Brian and this is what I do over here. I teach how to make money online covering all several areas. So subscribe for more contents like this. Like this video and share this video for others to get the benefits, and also leave in the comment section all your questions and suggestions you have about this particular video, and I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. So without wasting much of your time, let's get back to the video. As I said earlier on, I'm going to talk about Astera and everything you need to know about Astera. So the first thing I'm going to make you understand is that Astera is a CPA marketing platform. When I say CPA marketing platform, CPA means cost per action. So when I talk about cost per action, there is no need for others to purchase anything before you can get something in return. In this case, just copy your link, share your link, and people tap on it, and boom, you're going to earn a lot of money. So this is just 3 steps. Copy your link, share your link, and others click on the link, and you're going to cash out a lot of money. A lot of creators are making money on Astera, and trust me, you can do so by subscribing to my channel and watching most of my videos. So when you go to my YouTube channel, as you can see here, when you go to playlist, you can see playlist over here. When you click on playlist, there are a lot of playlists over here, which is Astera earnings, how to make money online, which is general. It covers how to make money online with content creating, with websites, AdSense, and Astera. A lot of ways to make money online. So you can check this playlist in order to make money online, and content creating, free data, and a lot are to be added. So I'm going to talk about the Astera earnings, which is a playlist which is consisting of 16 videos over here. So you can see a lot of videos over here, which is actually talking about Astera earnings, how you can earn a lot on Astera. So this video will enlighten you on how to make money on Astera and one trick to make money on Astera. You can't rely on only one trick. There are a lot of tricks over here which you can actually use to make a lot of money on Astera. So you can check these out in order to be successful in this Astera journey. Continuing with how you can earn on Astera, there is a link in the description. Of course, that is the very first link in the description. Okay, so simply tap on that particular link and it's going to take you to the sign up page for you to sign up for an account. Signing up for an account on Astera is pretty simple and very easy, and I'm going to take you through that. So the first step is for you to enter your email, your login, and a messenger, of which you can choose WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or any social media for your messenger tab, and the payments method, which I'm going to explain this at the end of this video. So just enter your full name and your password, and the next thing you have to do is to simply check this box and tap on sign up. So I'm going to speed this particular place in order not to make this video much boring. So guys, after tapping on the sign up button, there is going to be a verification link being sent to your email, the email that you use. So simply check your email and there will be a verification link for you to complete your account. So I'm going to head on to my Gmail and refresh it. I'm going to refresh it to see whether it's in or not. Yeah, so guys, as you can see this is from the Astera team. When I tap on it, I'm going to see the confirm email button. Simply tap on it and it's going to verify your accounts with some simple steps. So now the verification is being confirmed and you'll be redirected to the page to login. So this is my page to login. I'm going to log in with my Gmail and my password. And I simply tap on login, and to log in, get me logged in into my account. The interface of Astera is pretty simple and very easy for you to understand. I mean, it is user friendly. So you're going to see dashboard, statistics, direct links, websites, referrals, and a lot. So you can see that right now my manager has text me, "Hi Brian, we are extremely glad to introduce our updated blah blah blah," and I'm going to explain all this to you. So the very first thing I'm going to talk about is the direct link and how you can earn massively with the direct link. So I'm going to tap on direct links, and you can see, as I said earlier on, it takes just 3 steps. Create a direct link, put it anywhere, that's share it on any other place and track and make changes. So I'm going to create a direct link, and I'm going to show you how to create a direct link over here. So on this page, you can simply see the create direct link button. Simply tap on it in order to create direct link. With the direct link, it comes with two categories. That is the adult and non-adult. In other words, mainstream and non-mainstream. So with the adults, it comes with higher CPMs. So I always encourage my audience to choose adults, not non-adults. So I'm going to choose adults and tap on add. You see, your request has been submitted, and for the direct link, it's going to be pending for some few minutes and it will be approved. So you can see the status on pending. So when it's been approved, you'll be emailed that your direct link has been approved. So whilst waiting for the direct link to be approved, I'm going to show you the simple steps to use this direct link in order to earn a lot online. Other websites in order to manage my links. As I said earlier on, I'm having a lot of websites. So I'll leave them in the description. And one of them is Linktree. So let's sign up with Linktree over here. And it takes the same process. So I'll sign up with my Google, and let me fast forward this place in order not to make this video boring. These are some of the steps and you can use to set up our link tree. Add through a link, customize your page, and share your link tree. So I'm going to add links over here, which is of course going to be the direct link that we copied from our Astera website. So I'm going to paste in the direct link over here, then simply tap on add, and it will be added successfully over here. So anything you do over here will be seen down here. So what I'll be doing is to tap on this edit tool in order to edit the title of this particular link. So I'm going to type in watch AFCON for free. So this is not limited to only AFCON. You can use any attractive way or any simplest way, creative ways to get people click on your link. So as you can see here, I've already get a title over here for free over here, and I'm gonna add 3 links. Don't just add 1 link, add up to 3 links. So I'm going to add a different one. So this is exactly what your audience will see when they tap on the link on wherever you share the link. So what you have to do is to simply customize it for it to look more attractive. So I'm going to tap on this image icon to use a thumbnail for the links. So I'm going to tap on set thumbnails. This is for your own good. You can just leave it like this, but in order for it to look more attractive, that is what I'm going to use it for. So just enter this, just tap on crop, and it will be used as the profile for the first link. So you can see it's right here. So I'm going to download a different one. So after getting all the desired images, what you have to do is to go to the link tree and customize your link in order to make it more attractive. So the same method, get thumbnail, upload your thumbnail, double tap on it in order to upload. So I'm going to use this image, tap on crop, and to be uploaded for me. So now that we are set, you can tap on customize your page in order to add some themes or any other thing to make our page, or yes, our page looks more attractive. This is up to you. There is no need for you to be limited to what I'm teaching over here. So you can use a profile over here, of which it can of course be a Canva or anything you want to use. So of course I'm going to use something like a picture over here. So let me upload my own image. So of course I'm going to use one of the images I downloaded from the Google right now. Use this particular image as the profile. So anywhere that you share this will be the thumbnail which is going to show on your accounts. Oh, it's not working. Let me go back. Okay, so it has been approved over here, so you can see it. So this is exactly how you're going to see when people tap on your link, and you can customize it over here by using these kind of themes. So I think this one is okay. This one is okay for sports. So the next thing for you to do is to simply tap on share your link. So you're going to tap on share your link. You can go down, you can scroll down, and you can see copy your link over here. So let me zoom in a little bit for you to see. So you can see copy link over here. Simply tap on copy. So let me move to a different profile and go to the link I copied to see how the link appears. Yeah, so this is how people will see when they tap on your link. Of course, I made a mistake in the AFCON. So this is for tutorial sake. I'm not going to use this for posting or anything. This is for tutorial sake. So you can see this is exactly how your audience are going to see your link whenever they tap on it. And trust me, there are a lot of people online which are interested in football. What I'm going to do is to know where you're going to post our link. So let's go to Twitter. Twitter is having a lot of people, and of course, Twitter is having a lot of people online. So AFCON is one of the topics which is actually trending on Twitter right now. So when you go to Twitter, you can see the trending over here. You can see when I search for AFCON, you can see AFCON is trending. You can see AFCON is trending over here. So what you have to do is to simply search for AFCON or any topic that you used in your link tree. So you can see a lot of posts over here, And what you're going to do is to simply go to the comment section and comment with the link that you copied from your link tree with a catchy caption. So in this case, I want to make this video very short for your understanding. So I'm not going to add any caption. I'll just paste in the link over here, Linktree AFCON 2024, and simply tap on reply. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is the link that I posted over here. So AFCON 2024. So you can simply add any catchy caption that watch the AFCON 2024 and win some cool prizes. Just any catchy sentence or any catchy caption which will allow people or urge people for them to tap on your link, and you'll be earning a lot over here. So basically, this is what I have for you today, and this is not only for Twitter. It works for all the social media platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all other social media platforms. All what you have to do is to design your link tree very well, and for it to be more attractive to catch people's attention. And the topic you'll be using should be trending topics. You can use movies or any trending topics which is on the social media for this particular trick, and it will work a lot for you. Trust me, a lot of people are earning a couple of dollars on Astera, and you can do so by watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. My name is Brian, and I'm out.